Welcome back to my channel. So you guys have been requesting this video for a while, so here it goes. So to start off, you're going to part your hair right in the center, all the way from your forehead all the way back to the nape. And once you have that one straight line, you're going to use crocodile clips or bobby pins or however way you want to section your hair. And then you're going to go in with a red tail comb. And you're going to start sectioning from the ear all the way to the middle parting, and that's going to be your first section. I'm going to go in with my Isoplus edge control gel, and I'm going to just apply it to the perimeters of my sectioned hair. And once I've applied a generous amount, I'm going to go in with a comb and just sleek that down. I'm going to be using the Darling extension. This is their Mali Kinky. You can use any Mali braid that is available to you. My favorites are this one, the Darling Mali Kinky, as well as the Sublime Kinky braid. And then I'm going to go in with thread. I am using wool to do African threading. So what I've done is I've joined the ends of my Mali Kinky all to my hair, and once I have those joined, I am going to thread them together so that they become one unit. Once you've done that, you're now going to take your Mali braid and you're going to wrap it around your African threaded section and all the way to the end. Once it gets to the end, what you're going to do is you're going to just rip off a small part of your Mali braid, and then you're going to tie a knot. That's going to ensure that your wrapped hair does not thread back or thread back around. So you're making sure you're just securing the hair in place, and then you're going to section yet another part, and then you're going to part that into two, and you're going to start African threading. Once you've African threaded, you're going to go in with your Mali braid again, and you're going to wrap it around the sectioned area, and you're going to keep doing this until you get all the way to the back. So you part your section right in the middle, you put through your wrapped section all the way through so that you can continue doing the exact same thing. You can continue African threading, and then once you're done African threading using wool, you're going to go around and wrap your African threaded section with your Mali braid. So it's going to look like you've African threaded using Mali braid. So I'm going to show you guys one more time, and I'm going to try and show you guys in slow motion. So what we're going to do right now is you've taken the start of your two Mali braids, and you're going to join them to your edge controlled section. You're going to African thread that using wool all the way to the end. You can knot the end if you'd like, and then once you've done that, you're going to wrap that section around. You're going to wrap the section with your Mali braid. So I hope that makes sense. So you're going to African thread. Once you've African threaded, you're going to wrap the section with your Mali braid. You're going to take a small piece from your Mali braid, and then you're going to tie the end. This is to make sure that your wrapped section does not unravel. You want to keep this secure, and you want to keep it neat. So that's just how I knot and secure the ends. I hope that that was very easy for you guys to see. And then you're going to continue doing this until you get all the way to the back once again. So once you've African threaded, you're going to wrap using your Mali braid. You can use a new piece of wool as opposed to continuing with the one that you began with, and you African thread. Once you've done African threading, you wrap around with your Mali braid, and then you secure your Mali braid right at the end. It is very simple. Once you get the hang of it with your first section, then you're done. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Eco Styler, and I'm just going to ensure that everything is in place. I'm going to lay my edges using Eco Styler and my Isoplus gel. This is just how I do it. I'm going to tie it around for about 10-15 minutes until my edges are sleeked down. I'm going to go in with more of the Darling Mali braid, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of pieces. I'm going to attach them to the end where at the back, and once I've attached the two pieces, I'm going to go in with that's just a piece of material that I had lying around. You can use a scarf, you can use anything. I tied it right in the center, and then I connected it to my pony at the back. And once I done that, I just wrapped it, like almost twisted it around my Mali braid before I went in and wrapped to create my low bun. So you're just going to wrap it around and secure it using a bobby pin, wrap and secure using a bobby pin. It's as simple as that, you guys. And then there you have it. You have your African threaded low bun. It's so easy, it's so simple, anyone can do it. It's not that complicated. Just give yourself a second to get a hang of the beginning part, which is to secure your Mali kinky right in the front, and then you're good to go. And there you have it. It looks so cute. Look at how twisted that back is. It's so simple, it's fun, it's different. You can use material that you like, any colors work. You can use silk scarves. And just so you guys know, using scarves and material as part of your hairstyles is kind of trendy at the moment. So thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.